So what is happening today in Shaheen Bagh in Delhi is a stark reminder that if the majority of this country is not vigilant, if the patriotic Indians do not stand up to this, the days of Mughal Raj coming back and revisiting Delhi is not very far away. Sir, what is happening in Shaheen Bagh is fanatic Islamism masquerading in the garb of constitutional secularism, sir. And therefore, we must exercise vigilance to ensure that this country will be on a path of true secularism, on a path of true secularism. Sir, no, I will not yield. I will not yield, sir.
Please.
Sir, I will not yield.
Kanimozhi,
What is every single day you have been
it will be removed. It will be removed the record. Yes.
You are misguiding the young people of this country. So I want to ask all of you. People say the CAA is an unconstitutional bill. My question to the opposition: